How you all doing, guys? Brandon here from Retro Dodo. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. And today is a very exciting day for me because not only has Sega sponsored this video, they've also sent over the Mega Drive Mini, which has just launched or is launching on October 4th here in Europe. Now, I know you guys in the States have the Genesis Mini, but the Mega Drive Mini is the European name for it. And I'm very excited because I have one of these as a kid. So this comes with 40 classic games and 2 bonus titles, and as you can tell from the packaging here, this is going to be a kick right in the nostalgia, and I cannot wait. So you can pick this up using the links below in the description too. The packaging looking pretty clean. We got the original Sonic the Hedgehog here. I'm just excited to get into it, and here is a look at some of the titles. The one I am most excited about is Dynamite Headdy. I used to play this loads as a kid, and some other games it has. It's got Earthworm Jim, Echo the Dolphin, Sonic 1 and 2. It's got Street Fighter. It's got Golden Axe. It's got Altered Beast. Like, this thing has a ton of titles, and I'll be personally honest, I think this is one of the best 40 games they could have chose to add to this console. So let's jump into the box itself. I'm liking this. I want to keep this box in as minty condition as I possibly can. Let's jump in and have a look at what you get with this product. So let's put it all out. And here, what's in this bit? Is this the console itself? Oh yes, here's the console. All right, this is exciting. Wow, this is small. Okay, let's put that to the side, the box over here. You obviously get your manual that I won't be needing. You get your HDMI cable here. You get, I'm guessing this is for the power. That's micro USB to USB. And then you get the controllers. I'll only be using one, so I'll only be getting one out for now. Oh! Okay, this brings back some memories. Oh my god. This is exciting. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the Sega logo there, and it's just looking clean, you know. Minimalist, black, white, and red. I'm liking it. And for you big fellas out there like me, this is going to feel great in the hand. No problem at all. And let's take a look at the Mega Drive itself. This thing, I'm impressed in how small this thing is. Oh my god, look at that. Oof. So the on-off button works. The volume, the reset button works. Oh my god. This thing, I'm liking this. I know it's obviously a replica of the old school console, but seeing this in this smaller form factor is awesome. And obviously we'll pull the cable out here, and it just slots into the 2 USBs at the front. Like so. And bang, you can play. Oh, and the cartridge slot opens as well. That is adorable. Okay, all right. So you got the HDMI at the back here, your micro USB, which is your power in. This thing, look at that. That's in my hand. That is very, very small. Hence, it's called mini. But you know, I was expecting it to be a little bigger, to be honest. I'm liking this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this into my TV and show you some of the gameplay and my thoughts on a couple of the games. Obviously, I want to try out Dynamite Headdy, so let's jump into that. Okay, so here it is. I've just loaded it up, and straight off the bat, this menu is looking pretty cool. At the top right here, you can sort, sorry, wrong button. You can sort from genre, A to Z, number of players. That's quite nice. You can actually go release date if you want to go full nerd as well. I am digging that. I want to go A to Z because that's a bit easier for me. Should we take a quick look at settings? Keep doing that. Screen settings, so if you do want to go normal aspect ratio, you can stretch it out as well if need be. I forgot to mention this is running at 720p as well. And I also read something, if you go into Japanese, if you change it to Japanese settings, it should, wow, there you go. It changes the menu and it gives you the Japanese cover art, which is really, really cool. I'm actually digging that a lot. That's nice. Why is that one? Okay, oh, that might be because that cover art in real life, if you were to pick up the Japanese version of that game, it would actually be in a smaller box. So that's actually quite cool that they're adding that. So let's go back to English and let's try out a couple of games. I want to try out Sonic and I want to try out Dynamite Headdy. So let's try out Dynamite Headdy and see how it looks. Look at the colors on this game. My God. Run, friends, run! Oh no. Get away from my friend's evil robot. Dodge, duck. Oh no. Now, if I'm right, there was like a weird cat boss at the end of this level. I'm not 100% sure. It's been a long time since I played this. Here it is. I don't know how to kill this thing. I can never remember. It just looks mean. I think it's a cat, right? That's a cat. Don't you dare. Ah! How am I meant to kill it? Okay, I did some damage there. This thing is so damn scary. Fourth, is it? Yeah. Got it. Alright. Oh no, this ain't good. Oh, I hit it. I hit him then. He is not... Oh! I actually killed him. Wow. Alright, I'll take that. Alright, so if we hold start for a few seconds, this should... There you go, and you can save it. So let's save again. Save 2. And then we can return to main menu so you don't have to go to your actual console, which is always nice. Alright, let's try out Sonic. I know a lot of you are into your Sonic. There he is. Oh man, I love this game. Oh no. Typical bloody crab. Oh no. Oh wow, that was extremely unlucky. Boom. Oh Jesus, chameleons, man. Should be near the end soon. Come on. Yeah. There you have it. You know, and the audio is really good there as well. Almost bang on, like it's pretty perfect, very nostalgic. Alright, should we try another game? Hold start, save. Alrighty. Alright, so here it is. Echo the Dolphin. Oh, still got those mad skills. Oh, dang. Oof, dash. Oof. Alright, let's explore. Whoa, okie dokie. Something's going on here. Some sketchy stuff. Maybe that door's open now. Yep. All right. They obviously want me to talk to this guy. Suddenly great, winds of water. There you go. Oh, What else? Alright, so there's the quick look at Echo the Dolphin. You can take a look at that if you think it's your cup of tea. So to save, quite simple, just hold the start button and then we can come out to return to the main menu. Let's go for something a bit more energetic. Let's get Street Fighter involved. Alright, who should we pick? I think he has to go old school Blanca, right? Or Chun-Li or Ryu. Let's go Blanca. In Japan. Oof, crikey. Oh wow, he's kicking my ass. Oh no, he just KO'd me. That did not take long at all. That's it. Oh! Can I pull it back? Look at him, he's scared. Oh no, come on, I just need to get an uppercut and a punch on him. That's it, and a punch. And a punch! That's embarrassing. He's a one bang. He's an actual one bang. Yes. This brings back memories. Ow. I love Earthworm Jim. So there you have it guys, a quick look at the Sega Mega Drive Mini. There was the unboxing and we had a look at a ton of games. And personally, this is going to be something that I'm going to leave in my living room for a long period of time. Over Christmas, it's going to be an absolute blast with my partner and my friends because it does come with 2 controllers. And it's just a great gift coming in at around £70 here in the UK. To give someone who's into their retro gaming and someone who had a Sega Mega Mini, Sega Mega Drive, when they were a child. And this thing looks great. It's going to look great in your collection. It's going to look great even if it's just, you know, on your desk or something or on show. They've done a cracking job and I can't wait to play some more of this over Crimbo. So there you have it guys. If you do want a review, we'll be doing a written review on our website. Make sure to hit us up on Instagram and Twitter with any questions regarding this product. And as per usual, I appreciate you watching and I hope you subscribe and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.